Learning how to create complex looks without actually changing the geometry is a total game changer for my workflow. Hey everyone, I'm Ludwig. I'm a student at Hove University, currently in the Design and Mobility course. The Manoj asked me to test out their new parametric design course for Blender, and I just wanted to share my experience with it and why you should probably try this course as well. What I really enjoyed is how the course breaks down three very different techniques. The first one with the tissue add-on, the second with geometry nodes, and the third one with procedural shaders. Personally, I think all three have a key role to play. You don't just use one for everything, and in this course you learn which tool is right for the specific design situation you're in. For me, geometry nodes always felt a bit intimidating, but this course actually helped me understand how to use them in a practical and parametric way. Also, the section on shaders was super interesting. Learning how to create complex looks without actually changing the geometry is a total game changer for my workflow. It's been a great experience, and I'm definitely going to be using these workflows in my future projects, not only my mobility, but all the industrial design as well. Thanks to Le Manouche for the early access.